This is just an excerpt from chapter 2 of The Sound of Only. Sometimes God does not shout. Sometimes he lets silence show us the truth. Silence shows what we really believe. It shows what we trust. It shows whether our faith is real or just routine. Chapter 2 of Sound of Only reminds us of this. More time does not always mean we are okay. Sometimes it means God is being patient. That's what we call mercy. But mercy is not permission to keep drifting. We cannot keep saying, I'll get serious later. Later is not promised. The real question is not just, do I believe in God? The real question is, am I living like I believe Him? God sees the heart. He sees the hidden struggle. He sees the excuses. He sees the pain. He sees the places we keep avoiding. But He still calls us back. That is love. So be encouraged on this day. If you still feel conviction, God is still reaching for you. If your heart feels stirred, do not ignore it. If you know something needs to change, start on this day. Pray again. Repent again. Forgive again. Surrender again. Come back to God again. You still have breath. That means you still have a chance. Do not ignore the warning before the final sound. Grace is still speaking. Answer while there is still time. Grace is still speaking. The question is, are we listening? That is why this meet and greet matters. This is more than just a book event. It is a chance to pause, reflect, ask questions, and have real conversations about faith, life, purpose, and getting serious before it's too late. Come out and meet Minister Eric Betts, author of the book, The Sound of Only, and step into a moment that may speak directly to where you are. The meet and greet will be Saturday, May 30th, from noon to 4 p.m. That's Saturday, May 30th, from noon to 4 p.m. The address is 1043 North Pulaski Road in Chicago. 1043 North Pulaski Road. Real talk, real encouragement, real conversations. Don't wait for later. Pull up, bring somebody with you. Grace is still speaking. Answer while there is still time.